This lure. Hey man. It's boy. Z back with another video, man. Hey, we got more EBK JAAYBO. I am Nightingale. I ain't gonna lie, I have no clue. No clue. What the fuck that is, bro? Nigga, we finna hold on. It might be a place though. Hold on, we finna see. Hold on, let me make sure. Nightingale. It's only some showing like birds and shit. Like I don't know what that fucking mean, but that's for y'all to let me know. Y'all, hey, in the comments, let me know what the fuck. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe we finna see it like for itself right now. You know what I'm saying? This finna explain it all. Look. Iron Nightingale on ThakidZee, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to ThakidZee. They be hooking up. Hey, mostly, actually, they really be putting me on to like some like different music, like North Cal, you know what I'm saying? All everywhere type shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They supply it all, you feel me? So look, we finna get straight to this shit. Y'all already know how bro coming.
Look, I still posted on the J while I'm rolling up his dead ass. Trying to start through the thing, got his head smashed.
I need some water, but shit. Oh, I got water right here. I'm tripping.
I popped out before I made a song. Got the drive and run inside this crib while you home alone. Southeast, Nightingale, home of the killers. Suckers making distance and they ain't slid, I can never feel it. Gang is the realest from my section, bitch, we breed eggs.
Sound effects, bro, I swear to y'all, the sound effects just be doing it for me. Like, it just be like,
sessions to make it on the freeway. Make it even harder. Like said he could have had us, but he dropped his clip. Swear to God, we touched a nigga flesh before he dropped the disc. Rock up on a cornball like what the problem is. That face shot turned that nigga to a college kid. Fuck is a scholarship.
Turn him to a college kid? Wait, hold on. College kid. I thought I understood that bar at first, but nigga, hold on.
Ball like what the problem is. Hold on. That face shot turned that nigga to a college kid. Fuck.
Right over my head, bro. I don't know.
It's a scholarship. I was on a block thugging. If he ain't in my videos, he wasn't block hugging. It's hard to make some shit shake when you ain't got nothing. I can't vouch for shit that nigga did, cause he ain't papa suckers. But my brother, if he fucking with the opposite. If you a shooter, brody, keep that shit anonymous. The politics ain't how they was, so shit I made my own. Just fully switch to go boom.
Don't be posting your shit. Don't be, you know what I'm saying, doing that little, hey. Niggas got the guns, bro. Yeah, they got the boomerangs, you feel me? They just, y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't be doing that shit because, bro, you just like setting yourself up. Like, at this point, you feel me? Like,
that nigga skull, trying to send a nigga home. Granny praying that I change. Convicted felon, still riding with another case. It's gonna be some sacrifices you gonna have to take. Is you gonna do it for yourself or do it for the game? I've been taking risks. Them niggas pop my brother up, I gotta take the trip. Casino died some years ago, I'm still crying. But you can ask that nigga daughter, JAAYBO still sliding. Hey, popped up, I ain't never scared of hopping out.
Come on,
the seconds text me tryna hoop, pull up to the south. I'm in the valley with the thugs when the 7 dry. I'm done funking with you niggas, y'all never slide.
Bro, what I wanna know right now, you know what I'm saying? Actually, I feel like right now, at least, you know what I'm saying, off of the top of my mind, you know what I'm saying, the most samples I heard from somebody, you know what I'm saying, I feel like it's EBK JAAYBO, you know what I'm saying. This nigga, like, I just hear samples like a lot, like it's real how you say it? Distinguishable? Yeah, distinguishable, you know what I'm saying. Look, it's just real, like I can really hear that type of shit, you know what I'm saying. And like, what the fuck is the process, bro? What is the process to when you find these samples, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just be listening to like just different music, like just straight up like just everything, like you just listen to anything. You know what I'm saying? Just find one you like, oh, hold on, put that motherfucker on the track, or you just like, I don't know, just but you find an old fuck, it don't even matter. Either way they find that motherfucker.
Nigga, damn funkin' with you nigga. I don't never slide. Nigga. Still posted on the jab while I'm rolling up his dead ass. Sucker tried to slide through and got his head smashed. On EBK, I popped the eye before I made a song. Got the drop and run inside his crib while he home alone. Southeast, Nightingale, home of the killers. Suckers making disses and ain't shit. I can never feel him. GANGG.
I think that's where bro from. You know what I'm saying? I think that's like actually the part where it's like where it's called, you know what I'm saying?
From my section, bitch, we breed eggs. I just caught a sucker loafing on the freeway. Ay. Nigga, 2-1, yeah. Southeast, nigga, free gang, nigga. You feel me, yeah, free rose, nigga. Oh shit, bro.
Hey, this a cold motherfucking
It's called
cold music, man.
They start calling me,
Rob
man.
shit. Sure.
Hey, man. Free gang, nigga.
Whole movie for real. These niggas, I really just know. I didn't really know this, but like, I'm just speaking about it right now. You know what I'm saying? These niggas just made a whole movie. Feel me? Like, these niggas, they got the little movie shit. Like a nigga just standing there, watch the credits. Like, damn, to be continued. What the fuck just happened after that? They done got that shit down to the park. Black screen that motherfucker. Come on, man. Look at. I can't even say, you know what I'm saying? Look at me knowing my little director shit, you know what I'm saying? Some movie shit. Hey. Hope y'all enjoyed the video though. Make sure y'all like. Oh wait, I totally forgot. Is bro still like in jail type shit, or you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, cause like bro, just today I was like on bro page, cause I don't know why I just clicked on it, you know what I'm saying? It said free. But it was like an old post though. It was like an old post, you know what I'm saying? So I don't even know, bro, to be honest. So shit, y'all let me know. But hey, like I said, bro, every video right now, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give me a reaction request, bro. I need some more. Y'all need to get in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do them. Hey man, look, 2-4 shit, man. We out here.